Activating the stretch through the yao, connecting the foot to the hand, connecting up the white tissue via stretching, right? The error is if you move your body as one, no stretching. For something to stretch, you have to move one point away from the other point. It's pretty clear. Now, if you keep moving one point away from the other point, eventually it reaches critical mass and unstretches. Archery. You pull the string. And when you let go, you're essentially still pulling the string. If you don't push the string back, okay? You don't go and try and push the string back. You just keep taking the string back, which we all know which part of the body that is. So you keep taking it back until the stretch and unstretch happens. So if he just shapes up, holds his hands up or whatever, however he wants, just natural. And I touch, I'm already stretched, so I unstretch, right? That's it. If I don't move as one, I move the strings back. See, you feel the difference straight away. Now, as you get better at it, I can be like, I don't have any obvious stretch, but I can make it happen on the inside. So I drop and release so that the stretch is there. Okay? So you no longer need to stretch through large frame to find the stretch. Instead, you can be wherever you want and look unstretched, but it's still there, because you can make space inside your body to let the tissue stretch. So when you do the exercise, you have to feel the independent parts of the body and try and move them in one harmony independently, not one piece. One piece is the opposite of stretching. One away from the other creates stretching, openness, connection. So the soft tissue connects up. If you move as one piece via contraction, the soft tissue becomes slack and the muscles become tense. The white tissue becomes slack and the muscles become tense, and you fall into the external way of movement. When you release the contraction in the muscles, it allows the white tissue to elongate and connect up. Okay? So instead of trying to move your partner, try to connect up your white tissue via the stretch.